friends, welcome to my channel. You know, the other day I was sitting with my son and chatting, and he said me that we are made up of atoms and cells both. But I couldn't believe. All these days I believed that it's cells for living things and atoms for non-living things. And when I tried to find out, I came across few facts and I thought to share with you all. About 99% of our body is made up of atoms of hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. And our body is also made up of cells. Can you believe about 10 trillion cells are there in our body? And scientists estimate that the average cell contains about 100 trillion atoms. And 7 billion atoms are existing in our body. And to further understand about the atoms and cell, so let's try to find out which is the smallest thing in the world. And the answer I would expect as an atom or a cell. No, it's not that. It's called as quarks. Quarks is the thing that is found when the protons and neutrons are further broken down. As far as we can tell, quarks can't be broken down into further smaller components, so that makes it quarks the smallest thing in the world. Talking about atoms, it is not possible to see an atom with the naked eyes because the size of an atom is so small that its radius is about 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. And the atom of an element does not exist independently, and we need an electron microscope to see the atoms. These super tiny subatomic particles are used to create the parts of atoms. Atoms further form molecules which further form macromolecules. Macromolecules together form cell organelles which are further parts of the cells. Cells together form tissues of an organs and organs form systems. And finally, these together we have organisms. So organisms, we know that they make populations and populations make ecosystem. Then which further form a biome with its biotic and abiotic factors. Further we can say that planet and system, and further we have galaxy and the universe. Today we will learn more about atoms and cell. Cell is a biological unit whereas atom is a chemical unit. In summary, the key difference between cell and atom is that a cell is made up of molecules whereas atoms make up molecules. And further molecules make up cells, cells make up tissues, and further they form an organ. Atoms can be further broken down into three parts: protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons carrying positive charge, electrons having a negative charge and neutrons possessing no charge. According to the standard model of particle physics, protons and neutrons make up the nucleus of the atom while electrons orbit it in a cloud. Electrons in an atom are attracted to the protons in the nucleus by the electromagnetic force. Atoms are electrically neutral if they have an equal number of protons and electrons. Electrons that are farthest from the nucleus may be transferred to other nearby atoms or shared between atoms. By this mechanism, atoms are able to bond into molecules and other type of chemical compounds. That was about atoms, and now to know about cells. They are the basic building blocks of all the living things. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy and carry out specialized functions. A cell basically consists of three main parts: the cell membrane, the nucleus, and between the two the cytoplasm. Within the cytoplasm lie structures called as organelles. The size of the cell can be as small as 0.1 micrometer, which is found in bacteria, and the largest cell can be found about 130 micrometer, which is found in ostrich. This was some brief information about atoms and cell. If you want to know in detail about cells and atoms, please do let me know in the comment section. I would like to make some detailed video about these things. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.